Today, you're going to learn how to set up multi-currency in QuickBooks Online, UK version. This feature is especially useful if your business works with international customers, suppliers, or transactions in different currencies. Once multi-currency is enabled, QuickBooks will automatically track exchange rates, convert amounts, and help you manage foreign balances accurately. It's a powerful tool, but because of how deeply it integrates with your financial data, it can only be turned on once, so it's important to understand the steps clearly. Begin by signing in to QuickBooks Online. When your dashboard loads, move to the top right corner of the screen and select the Settings icon. From the menu that appears, choose Account and Settings. This is where you can change deeper preferences that affect how your QuickBooks file behaves overall. Inside Account and Settings, navigate to the Advanced tab. This section contains several configuration options, including features that control your financial settings and automation rules. Scroll down until you reach the Currency section. This is where you'll enable multi-currency for your company file. Select the option to turn on multi-currency. Before continuing, QuickBooks will display a warning message explaining that once you enable multi-currency, it cannot be turned off. This is because the system begins tracking accounts, customers, suppliers, and transactions in multiple currencies, and reversing that process would cause inconsistencies in your financial history. Take a moment to read the warning carefully so you understand the change you're making. If you're ready to proceed, tick the confirmation box to acknowledge the warning. Once you've confirmed your choice, click Save and then select Done to apply the changes. After this, you'll be able to assign currencies to customers, suppliers, and accounts as needed, and QuickBooks will automatically handle conversions from that point forward. That's it. You've successfully set up multi-currency in QuickBooks Online. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.